Hi everyone, Arun Reddy here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. And in this video, we are going to learn how to create a macro. So friends, if you don't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel Arun Reddy Tech for You and don't forget to like my videos. Thank you.
Coming to MS Word, today we are going to learn how to create a macro. So before creating a macro, let us learn what is macro is. Macro is a step-by-step recording process and it will record multiple steps and convert into one step. So what it is doing, it will record multiple steps and convert into one step. Nice, right? So let us see how it will work. Um, so to create a macro, what I have done, I have taken two paragraph as an example. So let's start recording. So first, to record, I will just go to the view tab, and in the view tab you will find a macros and arrow symbol. If you click on arrow symbol, it will show you two options, view macro and record macro. So I'll click on record macro. So immediately it will ask your name, so I will just type para, and you can find two options, button and keyboard. So I'll just click keyboard, and it will ask a shortcut key. Suppose if I type a shortcut key which already exists, for example control X we use for a cut, right? So when I click control X, what happens, it will immediately show that the currently assigned to edit cut. So already this shortcut key is assigned to edit cut. So I'll just remove the control X and I will just type another shortcut key, alt P. Now you can see currently assigned to unassigned. So alt P is not assigned to any of the file, and that means it is unassigned. So now I can assign it. So I will just say assign and close. So when I click close, immediately our recording starts. Nice. Now you can see there is a tape record symbol beside my cursor. That means our recording is started, right? So let me select the paragraph, and now I will just go to home tab, and in the home tab I will just unbold the text, and I will just change the text into Times New Roman. I will just increase the size 12 and I will make justify. Nice. Now I will recording, stop recording. So whatever the steps which I have done will be recorded by the macro. And now if I want to apply to the next para, I doesn't need to do all the things. So I'll just select the para and I will just say shortcut key alt P. Nice. Now you can see my text is unbolded, changed into Times New Roman, and you can also see text increased to 12 and it is justified. Nice, right? So multiple steps are done within a one step. Nice, right? So this is how our macro will work. Let us take another example. Now I will do with the heading. So I will just select heading, and I will go to the, again this time I will go to the view and macro, and again record macro. I will type heading as a title. So I will just give a name, heading as a macro name, and again I will assign a shortcut key. So this time I will assign alt H. Nice. So it is also showing that currently assigned to unassigned. So I can assign this. So I'll click on assign and close. Now again you can see the tape record symbol, or cassette symbol, which means that our recording has started. So again now I'll select the heading and I will go to the home tab. I will just change this into Algerian, and I will just increase the text into 14, and I will just go to the underline, and I want to go to the bullet, and I want to assign an arrow symbol. Nice. Now I will just go to the view and stop recording. Nice. Now I've done with the recording, right? And now what I will do, I will just go to the next para. I will select the heading and shortcut key alt H. So I will just click alt H. Nice. Now you can see immediately it has changed the same format which I have done with the starting. So this is how our macro will work. So if you have a repeated task, so then you can record with the macro and you can play with the shortcut key. So what a macro will do, it will decrease your work burden, right? It will decrease your number of steps. Nice, right? So friends, keep practicing. Thank you.